Set the primary float to the height of the bottom of the drain tile. Set the backup float above the primary float. Ensure all hose clamps on the pump are tight before placing the sump pump into the basket. Drill a hole at the discharge pipe location sized for the grommet and nearby hole for the cord seal. The hole for the discharge pipe may also be notched for the cords to run alongside the pipe and sealed with silicone. Remove any debris from using the hole saws. Pull the cords through and install the cord seal. Cut a piece of pipe to length such that a second rubber boot may be installed above the basket. This allows for future pump maintenance without having to cut any pipes. Connect the short section of the pipe, grommet, and rubber boot to the sump pump and basket. The pipe is then 45'd over to the wall and ran up to discharge outside of the home. Attach the pipe to the wall with 2 straps. If horizontal runs need to be made, slope the pipe 1/4 inch per foot and have pipe hangers no more than 4 foot on center. Verify requirements with local plumbing code. Drill a hole through the foundation or rim joist for the discharge pipe. The discharge should be 6 to 12 inches above grade and have about 6 inches of pipe sticking outside of the house connected to a rubber boot and at least a 6-foot discharge pipe to a well draining location. If the hole is through the foundation wall, seal with mortar or urethane. If through the siding, seal with silicone. With the discharge complete, attach the primary pump power and float cords to the float control box and plug the float control box into the wall. Set the battery in the case and attach the power cables from the backup pump control box to the battery. For maintenance-free batteries, attach the probe to the positive battery terminal. Connect the cables from the pump to the control box and from the control box to the wall. The Wi-Fi module has 1 cord to the control box and 1 cord to a power supply. It may then be hung near the rest of the equipment and set up online. Fill the sump basket with water and test the sump pump. Ensure there are no leaks in the discharge.